Hey y'all, JoJo here. So today I'm going to be showing you video of two different houses, but it's going to contain information for three houses, a one bedroom, a two bedroom, and a three bedroom, all in the area of Misnebalam. The reason why I'm starting this video this way is because I want to put out a disclosure. The area of Misnebalam was not completed by the contractors and the builders as promised. Unfortunately, there's a lot of infrastructure as far as the roadways that were not completed. There are some buildings that were not completed. So if you were to buy a house in this area, you may be dealing with issues again with the infrastructure and the roadways. It is 15 minutes away from the beach areas, from the coastline, and you probably will need access to a vehicle because it is somewhere out there in the sticks. But I just wanted to put it out there, but you can probably find a reasonable property here. And if you have any questions, if you want more information and details, please contact Sandy. Her information will be in the video as well. Thank you for watching. I wanted to show you this house. Here's the issue with this house. We can't get into it. It's locked. But I wanted to show you this house because it's a lot going on with this house. You won't believe it. I'm gonna do I'm not burglarizing if any of the neighbors are looking, but I'm gonna see if I can do a video from the window. But this is the kitchen. You have a nice sized kitchen, nice cabinets. Let's see what else. A double sink. I can clearly see that there's a double sink. You have storage underneath the stairs and a nice large patio, if you can see through there. Pan out for you. This is the size of the house. You have a 1 or 2 car garage. There's no gates as of yet. If you buy the house, you can install a gate. You share the area with your neighbor who's across the street. This area is empty. I guess you guys can share that. In the back, you can see they have this is a nice size pool. This is a very nice size pool. Here's the back of the area. We can get a better view of the kitchen here. It's 2 floors, 1 bedroom. But here's the thing about this property here. They're selling it for $100,000 for 1.7 million pesos at this point in time. The owner is also considering renting it out for 5,000 pesos. This area is about 15 minutes away from Progreso, 20 minutes away from Progreso. You're close to the main roadway. You would have your washing machine out here, washing machine and dryer here. You can put a cover over here, or you can probably just add another area here, add another room here for that outside area. You have a nice big backyard here. This is the part that I mean, it could be a 1 or 2 driveway. You can park one car here and park the other one behind it. It's nice and quiet. However, I do need to mention that this Pravada, there was issues with the developer, and the developer is no longer completing the roads for this Pravada. However, the owners are getting together and they're going to complete the roads. It's a All right, so this gem here, we're going in this house, and as soon as we go in the house, you see this pool. Okay, but we're gonna have to hold off on the pool. Let's back up and see that it does have a half bath with a window. This is your dining living room area. If you notice in the theme, dining and living room are usually together. You can have a little garden underneath the steps. Here's your kitchen. This is your laundry area here. It's inside, but it's also outside. Double sinks and a lot of cabinet space at the bottom, but you can always add. And there's a space for a refrigerator. I don't see a space for a stove. Maybe the stove can go right next to it. But from what I understand, with the sale of the house, the stove will be included. The owner is also going to add screens to all of the windows, screening for all the windows. Again, let the pool go. We'll deal with that in a minute. This is the first bedroom. You have 2 windows and the patio door, but you also have a closet area, nice walk-in closet. You have your own bathroom. This is just on the first floor. This is very nice. The only downfall is you're going to need a car to be here. Also, check this out. You have a covered garage, so you're not going to get wet getting out of your car. This is the second bedroom. Large bedroom. You have 2 windows in this bedroom. Sorry for the echo. You have your own bathroom and your own walk-in closet. Nice little area there. Here's the third bedroom. Two windows, your own closet, walk-in closet, and your own bathroom. We're noticing a theme with this house. This house is amazing for 2.5. Again, the only downfall is you have to have a car to be out here. And unfortunately, the developer did not finish the roadway. So if you can deal with not having the roadways completed, which is most parts of Merida, you'll be fine. So let's get out here. See if we can get out here. Ooh, it feels so good here. So this is going to be the only area you're going to have to take care of outside. This is the only area you're going to have to maintain because you have a small garden in the front with the covered garage. Unfortunately, you're going to have to allow the service people to come in your house to service your pool. You do have a cascading fountain that goes in a pool, but this pool is nice. It's nice and deep. You can do some laps in this pool. This is behind the pool. Just wanted to check that out. This pool is nice. You can cover all of this nice. I want to say this is, so we've seen a couple of L-shaped houses. This one is more like I guess a L or a O. This one's very nice. But 2.5 is not bad, right? 2.5, I don't know how to calculate that off my head for the going rate, but I'll put it here in the description. And just the current currency for dollars, don't take that too hard because it always changes. That's what I was trying to say. This is nice. So you'll have a stove. Again, from what I understand, a stove will be part of the purchase of the house, and the screens will be part of the purchase of the house. Let's look around outside at your neighbors. You have a lot of dogs here, unfortunately, but they seem to be very friendly. Yeah, they seem to be very friendly. You do have some neighbors here that live here already, but you'll just have a gravel driveway. Have neighbors down the street, right next door. But it's not bad. For 2.5, this is less than what I paid for my house. And this is 3.5 bath, 3-bedroom for 2.5. I paid 2.8, I believe, for a 2-bedroom, 3.5 or 2.5 bath. Very nice. Let's see where this goes. I didn't even pay attention to this. Let's check this out. Oh, okay. So this is where your fuse box is. Oh, it's outside. Okay. You can gate this out, and this is good for storage as well. So you can put a gate here and put your valuable items out here. And this is a nice size garage. You can even do it here too. Have storage here and gate that out as well. Oh. All right. 2.5, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Not bad. And you got guard dogs. All right. No. Oh my goodness. They're cute and everything, but no thank you.